Nomenclatures of branched chain alkane. That is a rule. How to name the compounds. The branched chain alkane. See, first, for example, look at this compound. You have to choose the longest chain. That is the first rule. Longest chain. That is also called parent or root chain. See here, this is a longest chain. You can choose the two possibilities are there, but one way is correct. Now I am going to write here. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the carbon number. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one possibility. Then other possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See here, the 9 carbon is the longest chain, not in the 8 carbon. So that the first one is the correct root. The second one is the wrong root. So the first one is the correct method of choosing the parent chain. So remember that you have to choose the longest carbon chain. That is the first rule. So here the first one is correct. Okay, the second is only 8, so that it is not a correct parent chain. Then second rule is the carbon atoms of the parent chains are numbered to identify the parent alkane and to locate the position of the carbon atom at which the branching takes place due to the substitution alkyl group in place of the hydrogen atom. See, for example, 1, suppose I have a compound like this, the same similar way. The compound like this means you have to write the numbering. The same compound, suppose you are using the numbering like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then another possibility is, that is, you can give here the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here one method is correct. You have to find which is the correct method. There is some rule. That is, the numbering is done in such a way that the branched carbon atoms get lowest possible number. Here, which is the lowest possible number? 1, 2. Here one branches are there and here one branches are there. Look, count here 1, 2. Second carbon having branch. In this side, fourth carbon having branch. So that you have to choose the lowest possible number, the lowest branched carbon. The lowest branched carbon is from left to right. So that the first way is correct, the second, this way is wrong. So you have to choose the lowest sum rule. This is the rule number 2. Okay, the rule number 1 is you have to choose longest carbon chain. Second is lowest sum rule. That is, you have to numbering. You have to give the numbering such a way that like this, lowest sum rule. So the lowest sum rule means here the second position having branch, so that from left to right you have to start. Then the name of the alkyl group is attached and branch are then prefixed to the name of the parent alkane, and position of the substitution is indicated by the appropriate numbers. So if different alkyl groups are present, they are listed in the alphabetical order. For example, 6 ethyl, 2 methyl, 6 ethyl, 2 methyl octane, or nonane, whatever it is. So here the 6-ethyl 2-methyl. First you have to write octane. So that just write a 8 carbon atoms. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here 6th position having ethyl and 2nd position having the methyl. So the 2nd position methyl as, and the 6th position having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th position having ethyl. So remaining you have to write like this: CH, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH, CH3. So here the numbering you have to lowest, the longest chain is this and lowest sum rule. So you have to start number like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the 6 ethyl. Why? Because means ethyl is the alphabetical order is E is first. So that we are writing 6 ethyl 2 methyl. The long chain is what? Octane. 8 carbon. So that octane. Suppose if 2 or more identical substitution groups are present, the numbers are separated by commas, then the names of the identical substituents are not repeated. So instead of the prefix such as di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5, like this, so we can use it. So while writing the name of the substitution in alphabetical order, these prefix however are not considered. Okay, so we can name it some compound. See, look at this compound. We can write it. The first compound, choose the longest chain. So you can then lowest sum rule, then you have to name it. Using of the branch, suppose 2, 3 like this presents, mean you have to use 2 for di, then 3 for tri, like this. See, you can give the numbering, the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the longest chain is what? 5. So that means pent. The word root is what? Pent. Okay, that's mean alkane, so that it is pentane. Then the branching also here. The 2nd position one methyl group and the 4th position having another one methyl group. You have made one doubt like this. That is you may be possible. That is why we can give from right to left that number. That is also possible because here also the 2nd position only the methyl group and the 4th position only methyl group. Suppose if you give write the numbering from right to left, that is also correct. There is no change this pattern because here the 4th position is methyl, 2nd position is methyl. Here also 2nd position is methyl, 4th position is methyl. So that it will not change. You can give in this type, in this manner, you can give the numbering the both ways correct. Okay. See here the 2nd position. The first so the 2nd position having one methyl, then 4th position having another one methyl. So that you have to use 2, 4, that is 2, 4. 2 methyl groups are present. So that 2 methyls mean, that is write one hyphen dimethyl pentane. So this is the saturated hydrocarbon, so that dimethyl pentane. So you have to write it's a single word. There is no space between the numbers or whatever it is. Okay, the wordings like this. You have to use comma for 2 numbers. The numbering letter start, you have to use hyphen. Then this is a single word. 2, 4 dimethyl pentane or 2, 4 dimethyl pentane. Then second, look at this compound here. three branches are yes, three branches are there. So that again give numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5 carbon, so that it is come under pentane, that is pentane carbon. So word root is pent. Then second position having 2 methyl group and fourth position having 1 methyl group. So 2 methyl groups are present, so that you have to write 2 comma 2, then 4, 2 to 4 hyphen trimethyl pentane. Okay, second position having 2 methyl group, that is why I am writing 2 2, and fourth position having 1 methyl group 4, then 3 methyl groups, that's why I am writing trimethyl. Word root is pentane. Okay, then look at this compound. This again you have to choose the lowest sum rule, longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 carbon atoms are present here. Okay, or you can choose it like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this way also correct, and this way also correct. You can choose it any one. So here one should be a branch, that is the third carbon having one branching, and the fourth carbon also having branching. So give the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 carbon atoms mean hept. The word root is, our parent chain is heptane, and simply hept. Then third position having one branch, fourth position having the 2 branches. Okay, so here methyl group and the ethyl groups are present here. So which is the methyl group? Methyl group and ethyl group in the alphabetical order, ethyl is first, so that 3 ethyl, third position having ethyl, so that 3 ethyl, then fourth position having 2 methyl group, so that 4 comma 4 or 4 4 dimethyl, because 2 methyls are there, so that dimethyl. Then the word root is what? Hept, so heptane. So this is a single word. 3 ethyl 4 comma 4 dimethyl dimethyl heptane. Okay, then suppose if two substituents are found in the equivalent position, that is the lower number is given to the one coming first in the alphabetical listing. For example, this compound as CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, then CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2 and CH3. Look at this. This is the compound is, you have to write, that is one, the numbering, the lowest sum rule, the longest chain is this, and the lowest sum rule following the lowest sum rule, so you have to start the numbering like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here the third position having ethyl group and the sixth position having methyl group. So writing the way, that is ethyl is first, so that 3 ethyl 6 methyl, so that writing sixth position methyl, so that 6 methyl, then the longest chain is what? Octane. So that 6 methyl octane. This is the correct way. Suppose numbering give like this means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 ethyl, 3 methyl octane. This will be a wrong name. Okay. The first choosing, that is the numbering, this way is correct and this way is wrong. Okay. Because you have to choose the here. Suppose the third position in this side, you may have a doubt why this is also third position and this is also third position from this side, left to right and the right to left. Why I am choosing this means you have to choose the ethyl group as preference first compared to methyl group. Suppose in the methyl group, in the ethyl group present in this side means you have to give the numbering in this way. Okay. See, look at this compound. This is a complex IUPAC name. How to name this compound? See here, the name of such branched chain alkyl group is placed in the parenthesis while naming the compound. Writing the trivial names like substitute in alphabetical order. The prefixes iso and neo are considered to be the part of the fundamental name of the alkyl group. So the prefixes secondary and tertiary are not considered to be part of the fundamental name. Okay, that is the main thing, remember that. So the use of iso and related common prefixes for naming alkyl group also allowed by the IUPAC nomenclatures. Okay, see the multi-substitute, this is the multi-substituted compound is following some rules. That is, if there is happen to be two chains equal, so this one and this one, so the two chain having the equal size, then that the chain is to be selected which contains more number of side chain. So here suppose writing of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, one more CH2 group here. This is CH3. This is CH2. Okay. Now this is 10. Okay. Choosing this, suppose if you choose the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 10 is also correct. So which one is you have to choose? That may be confused. So that you have to follow the more number of side chain. So the preference to give more number of side chain. Here which group having the more number of side chain up to this, and look this, here only one side chain. Here look at here, this is the side chain is 2, so that you have to follow, that means the preference more number of side chain. So numbering you have to follow like this. Lowest sum rule is what? Second, third position having the branching. So that here suppose if I choose 1, 2, 3 like this, mean this fifth position, sixth, seventh position having the branching, so that the lowest sum rule you have to follow. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then name it. How many carbons are long chains are there? 10. So after selection the chain, the numbering to be done the n closer to the substitution, so that this is also finished. Now give the fifth position, right? The fifth position having one substituent. Okay, that is the one branch. Okay, then the third position having methyl groups are present. Okay, So write first fifth position having something. So here also you have to give number. Choose that lowest sum rule and longest carbon. So 1, 2, second position is the ethyl group person. So that lowest sum rule. So that I am following 1, 2 in this way, left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means but, the butyl group. Then the second position having one ethyl. So here the the first fifth position having one branch, that is one branches there, that is some names will be there, 5, just leave it. Okay, then right here the third position having two methyl groups are present, so that 3 comma 3 dimethyl, 3 comma 3 dimethyl 10, so that 10 means what, decane, dimethyl decane. So this is over. Now you have to choose this, the fifth position having this. So using of bracket this, see here the second position is ethyl. So write second position ethyl means 2 ethyl, 2 ethyl. Then this is a butyl. Okay, so 2 ethyl butyl, 5 comma bracket in close bracket 2 ethyl butyl 3 dimethyl decane. So this is the IUPAC name of the compound. This is the complex IUPAC name. We will see some example. I'll write here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, then branching CH, CH3, CH3, then again CH, here also one branch, CH, CH2, CH3, here CH3, this is the fifth position, then CH2, 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 CH3. See here the same rule you have to follow. Then give the numbering. The numbering, the lowest is possible is what, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that you have to give the numbering from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So fourth position having one branch, fifth position having one branch. Okay. Here the fifth position having the secondary, that is the secondary butyl. I already said that is the prefixes of iso and neo also considered to be a part of the fundamental name of the alkyl group. Okay, so and the prefixes of secondary and tertiary are not considered to be the part of the fundamental name. So here you have to use, that is the fifth position having the secondary butyl. This is a secondary butyl. So write 5 secondary 5 sec butyl or secondary butyl. Then the next is what, fourth position having isopropyl. This is secondary butyl, this is isopropyl. So 4 isopropyl, then long chain is what, decane. So 5 secondary butyl, 4 isopropyl decane. Okay. Then one more example I will give you. Suppose compound having like this, that is CH3, CH2, 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 CH, then branching CH2, 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 CH3. This branching maybe CH2, CH3. This having this one CH3 in this side, and this side having another one CH3. So again you have to follow that same one, that is the more branch is considered as a parent chain. First one, look at the parent chain here. 1 2 3, that is the longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. You can give both the side, either you can use it left to right or right to left. You can use it any way. So here I'm going to use right like this, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then the fifth position having something, so that this something have. Okay, so here also you have to give the numbering, because this is also one chain compound. So 1 2 3. So that the fifth position is having something, so that the writing of the name as 5 something is there. So then how many carbon long chains are there? 9. So that nonane will be end. So nonane will be end with nonane. Okay, here you have to use, that is 2,2 dimethyl is propyl. 2,2 dimethyl propyl and nonane. So this is the name. The fifth position having one branch, that is complex IUPAC name. So using this, second position having 2 methyl group, so that 2,2 dimethyl. This is a propyl group, so that propyl. 2,2 dimethyl propyl, then nonane. Okay, then we will see the cyclic compounds. In the cyclic compound, the saturated monocyclic compounds is named by prefixing as cyclo. So you have to give that prefix cyclo. Okay, cyclo to the corresponding straight chain alkane. So if side chains are present, then the rules already followed, that is you have to apply. So here the name of the some cyclic compounds are here. This is 5 carbon atoms are there, so that this is cyclopentane. So the name of the compound is cyclopentane, because of the 5 carbon is present here. 1 2 3 4 5. So cyclopentane, prefixes here is what? Cyclo, because this is a cyclic compound. Then look at this, the alphabetical order numbering, alphabetical order of numbering. Look at this compound. This you have to give that 1 2 3. So here the first position having methyl, and this having this one CH2 group, and this one CH2 group, and this is a methyl group. Okay, this is third position having 1 2 3. This is a propyl compound, so that third position is propyl, first position is methyl. So 1 methyl, then third position 1 2 3, 3 carbon, so that 3 propyl, then cyclo, this name is cyclohexane. Okay. So here the alphabetical order of the numbering. Then more branched carbon gets lower number of this compound is chosen. See more branches here, one branch or two branches, here one branches. So the three branches are there. So using of here also that 1, 2, 3 more branches gets lower number. So that using here two branches are there. So that I am using number 1 carbon is yes this only, not this. Okay, this is only one branch, here two branches. So here you have to write that is third position having CH2 CH3, that's mean ethyl group. Here one methyl and here also one methyl. So third position alphabetical order wise ethyl is first. So that 3 ethyl, third position is ethyl. Then 1, 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, so this is the name. Okay, suppose if you give number 1 means 1, 2, 3, 1 ethyl 3, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane is wrong, because more number of branching is gets lower carbon, that is lowest carbon compound. So here you have to use only one is in this compound only, in this carbon only. Okay student, next class we will discuss the nomenclatures of organic compound having the functional group.